Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So even I'm fine, and now it's time to begin with our today's classes. Yes. So I can understand you are coming after 2 days holidays. So please, now it's time to sit at one place and start with our today's work. Shall we begin with that then? Great. So class, today is 22nd February 2021. And what is the day? Monday. क्योंकि 2 days की holidays थी, तो 2 days की छुट्टियों के बाद कौन सा day आया? Monday आ गया. So on Monday we have our first period of maths, EVS, English. कौन सा होता है? It's a maths period. आज आप कंफ्यूज हो गए ना, क्योंकि मैम ने नंबर्स भी लिखे हुए थे, isn't it? So class, it's time to begin with our today's maths class. Clear? Now, in maths we have learnt about lot of numbers. We have done counting from 1 to 70. Then we have done backward counting, जो हम ऐसे backward उल्टा वाला लिखते हैं, from 20 to 0. Then we have done what comes after, what comes before, what comes in between, isn't it? We have been practicing them all. Today we are going to practice one more topic which we have already done, and that is odd one out. कौन सा टॉपिक प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आज हम? We are going to revise which topic? Odd one out. That means जो भी pictures हमको दी हुई हैं, we are going to observe them all, और फिर उनको observe करके हम ये देखेंगे कि which picture is odd. वो उस बाकी pictures के साथ match नहीं कर रही है. That means वो odd है, जो बाकियों से मैच नहीं कर रही, जो बाकी जो पिक्चर्स हैं उनके साथ फिट नहीं आ रही, या उस फैमिली को बिलोंग नहीं कर रही है. वी आर गोइंग टू सर्कल दैट पिक्चर. और सर्कल करने का मतलब है कि वी हैव फाउंड आउट विच वन इज ऑड. ऑड का मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी ऑड है. जो आपको दी हुई पिक्चर्स है, लाइक आई हैव 4 boxes here. Clear? Everywhere you will find there is one picture which is not matching the others, जो बाकियों से मैच नहीं कर रही है. अब इसके लिए we have lot many things. कहीं पे shapes का होगा, कहीं alphabets का होगा, कहीं पे objects होंगे, कहीं fruits होंगे, कहीं vegetables होंगे. So let's see which are the examples we have on board and which are the examples we are going to do in notebook. Okay? So one thing which you have to remember, the topic odd one out, यानी कि जो मैच नहीं कर रहा है हमें उसको अलग करना है. Remember किया था हमने ये वर्क? So अब हम एक एक करके इन बॉक्सेस में जो पिक्चर्स हैं उनको ध्यान से केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. We will discuss those pictures and then we will find out which picture is odd, यानी कि कौन सी पिक्चर मैच नहीं कर रही है. Clear? Let's begin with the work then. So class, now in the very first box we have flower. Then the other picture is one more flower we have here, isn't it? This is a different type of flower, but it's a flower. Now the next one we have is a leaf. ये क्या है? It's a leaf. Then what is this? One more type of flower. And what is this? Again it's a rose flower. One more type of flower it is. Isn't it? So can you tell me when we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of flowers we have, and we have one leaf here. In these 5 pictures, 4 pictures we are having of flowers. चाहे वो डिफरेंट है, but all these four are flowers, and one picture we have is of leaf. Now just see carefully, think yourself and tell me what is odd here. आपको यहाँ ऐसा क्या पिक्चर, ये कौन सी पिक्चर है जो आपको लग रहा है कि वो बाकी पिक्चर्स से मैच नहीं कर रही है, वो ऑड है? Just think it once and tell me. See class, we are having 4 different types of flowers, but one is leaf. तो बताइए, the odd one here will be leaf. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to circle it like this. क्योंकि बाकी सब क्या है? फ्लावर्स है ना? लीफ और फ्लावर, ये दोनों ही ट्री के 2 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं, राइट? नाउ वी आर हैविंग फ्लावर्स 1 2 3 4, बाकी चारों तो फ्लावर्स हैं, बट एक ही लीफ की पिक्चर है. So leaf is odd here. We are going to circle leaf. Clear everyone? Now next we have is a birthday cap. Then we have a sandwich. Then we have bingo mad angle, or you can say the nachos, isn't it? Then we have a circle which is not complete circle, and we have a flag here. अब आप इन सबको ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करिए and just think and tell me which is odd here. If I give you an example, if I give you a hint, then just observe all the shapes. हर ऑब्जेक्ट की यहाँ पे आप शेप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. So this is something where you have to see what is the shape of the given objects. So one we have a triangle shaped birthday cap. Then we have a triangle shaped sandwich. Then we have a triangle shaped nachos. Then we have a circle, but this is not complete circle also. And here we have a triangular flag. So class, if you will see all the 4 objects, that means 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these 4 objects are triangular in shape. इनकी क्या shape है? They are triangle. Birthday cap triangle है, sandwich भी triangle है, nachos is also triangle, flag में भी triangle आ रहा है, but here we are not having any triangle, isn't it? यहाँ पे आपको triangle मिला कहीं? No. That means बाकी सब pictures कहीं ना कहीं triangular family को belong कर रही है, कहीं ना कहीं somewhere there are different examples of triangle shape, but this is not an example of triangle shape, isn't it? This is not an example, so this is odd here. What you are going to do? Circle this odd picture. Clear? This is how we find out odd one out. Now this one is little difficult, but if you will observe carefully, you will be able to do it very quickly also. See, ball, bat, bell, book, apple. अब इसको आप कोरिलेट करेंगे साउंड्स के साथ, ध्यान से. बॉल, बैट, बेल, बुक, एप्पल. क्या हो सकता है इसमें? सारी पिक्चर्स डिफरेंट है, बट स्टिल इन सब में एक चीज कॉमन है. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखिए, इट्स लिटिल ट्रिकी बट इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत है ये. जस्ट ध्यान से देखने की जरूरत है. Ball, isn't it? See, ball, bat, bell, book. बट स्टिल कुछ ना कुछ सिमिलर होगा। सी यहाँ पे हर ऑब्जेक्ट अलग है। आपने तो सोचा ही नहीं होगा ना कि साउंड में भी जा सकता है। सो यू हैव टू थिंक इट इन दैट वे ऑल्सो। क्लियर? जब आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, जस्ट कीप देयर नेम्स इन योर माइंड। नेम जब हम बोल रहे हैं, उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं, तो जो उनके जब हम साउंड्स देखेंगे, बिगनिंग साउंड सेम है, तो यानी कि कुछ तो सिमिलैरिटी आ गई ना इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स में भी, बट दिस इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज इसकी साउंड डिफरेंट हो गई। क्लियर? दिस इज हाउ ऑड वन आउट कैन कम एनीवे। ओके, नॉट ओनली रिलेटेड टू शेप्स, फ्लावर्स, कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं आपसे। नाउ इट्स टाइम, यू हैव लर्नड अबाउट सो मेनी थिंग्स, उन्हीं सो मेनी थिंग्स में से कुछ पूछेंगे। क्लियर? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट वन। नाउ हियर वी हैव ice cream, a cone ice cream. Then we have some ice cubes. Then we have a bowl of soup, hot soup. Then we have a juice which is having some ice cubes again. And we have ice cream. Now can you tell me which one is odd? An ice cream cone, ice cubes, soup bowl, then juice glass with some ice cubes, and again ice cream, an ice cream. So which one is odd here? Can you tell me which one is odd? Observe every picture carefully. Ice cream कैसी होती है? Cone ice cream ठंडी होती है। जब आप उसे टच करते हो क्या फील आता है? ठंडा, कोल्ड। आइस क्यूब, फ्रिज में से आइस क्यूब निकाल के टच करोगे कैसा फील आएगा? ठंडा लगेगा, यू फील कोल्ड। देन वी हैव अ बोल ऑफ हॉट सूप। कैन यू सी द स्टीम कमिंग आउट? सो इट इज हॉट, गरम। देन वी हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ जूस विद सम आइस क्यूब्स। जब आइस क्यूब डल गई तो वो जूस कैसा हुआ? ठंडा। एंड देन अगेन वी हैव एन आइसक्रीम। आइसक्रीम ठंडी होती है क्योंकि उसके साथ तो आइस ही लगा हुआ है। Isn't it? So now tell me which is the odd picture here? Yes, the bowl of soup. The soup bowl is odd. Why? Because it's hot और जो बाकी सारे pictures हैं they are cold. Clear? So we are going to circle it here like this. Understood class? So what is odd one out? जो पिक्चर बाकी पिक्चर्स के साथ मेल नहीं खाती, उनसे मैच नहीं होती, हम उसको सर्कल करके अलग कर देते हैं। दैट सर्कल करना, क्रॉस करना, टिक करना, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वेश्चन, बट हम उसको अलग से मार्क कर देते हैं। दैट मीन्स दिस इज द पिक्चर विच इज नॉट मैचिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर्स। जो बची हुई पिक्चर्स के साथ मैच नहीं कर रही है, दैट इज ऑड वन आउट। क्लियर? मैक्सिमम टाइम पिक्चर्स मैच करेंगी। जितनी भी आपको पिक्चर्स दिए जाते हैं उसमें से बस एक ही पिक्चर होती है जो मैच नहीं करती, सो वी कॉल दैट ऑड वन आउट। और जो मैच नहीं कर रही वो एक पिक्चर बाहर कर दो। क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर नोटबुक वर्क। सो टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस वर्क इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक। Clear? Open your maths notebook. Write down today's date. Now you all know how you have to write your date. So write down today's date and topic is odd one out. Clear? इतना prepare करिए. I'm showing you how you are going to do this work in notebook and then you will do. Okay class? So open your notebook now. So class, now open your maths notebook and let's see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook. Okay? So first thing you are going to do is write today's date. So what is the date today? 22nd February 2021. Then mention classwork and your topic odd one out. Now what the question says? Circle the things that does not belong to the group. Now see again, a few groups are given here and you have to observe all these groups and circle that thing which does not belong to these groups. Clear? So let's see the first one. We have a hot cup of coffee. Then we have ice cubes, a hot bowl of soup and a hot cup of tea. Now tell me, which is odd here? If you will look them carefully, you will be able to tell me that. I'll repeat, we have a hot cup of coffee, ice cubes, a hot bowl of soup, a hot cup of tea. अब बताइए, coffee is hot, soup is hot, tea is hot and ice cubes cold होती हैं, वो hot नहीं होती ना. So what is odd here? Ice cubes. So let's circle the ice cubes now like this. Clear? Okay. Now let's move towards the next one. Next we have is a smiling face, a shining sun, a flag, a button. Now observe carefully all these four pictures and tell me what is odd here. A smiling face, a shining sun, a flag and a button. क्या odd होगा इसमें से? Look at the shapes of all the pictures. So when we will see the shape of these pictures, we will find that smiley is circle in shape, sun is circle in shape, button is circle in shape, but flag is triangle in shape. What is the shape of flag? Triangle. That means flag is odd one out. Like this. Now next we have is an apple, a mango, a tomato and cherries. See again, we have an apple, a mango, a tomato and cherries. Now tell me, which one is odd here? Apple, mango, cherries. They all are fruits. And if we talk about tomato, it's a vegetable, isn't it? So, class, tomato is odd one out. Like this. Now last we have a rose flower, a sunflower, a car and a lotus. Yes, very much clear. Car is odd here because rest are the three flowers. So we will circle the car. Is that clear to everyone? So this is how you will do your today's classwork. Clear? So for this you can take help of your parents. They will draw few pictures and give you. You can take the pictures or the series that I have drawn on board also. Now for homework, you have to practice same as classwork. You will practice the same concept, odd one out as your today's homework, and that you will do on the next page. That means on the next page again ask your parents to give you some pictures like this we have in classwork for homework also. But you can take some other examples. Clear how you are going to do your homework in classwork today? So class, I hope you have understood our today's topic. The one which we have done revision is odd one out. क्या होता है इसका मतलब? The one which is not matching, उसको हमें बाहर करना है, उसको हमें अलग से mark out करना है. Clear? Now, practicing one topic every day is possible in class. But सारे topics को एक साथ तो मैम practice नहीं करा पाएंगी ना आपको. So keep practicing all your topics one by one at home also, and don't forget to share your work to me today itself. Classwork, as I told you, classwork to be shared by 1 p.m. and your homework to be shared by 5 p.m. ठीक है? क्लासवर्क और होमवर्क दोनों शेयर करेंगे आप मुझे. And please don't stop practicing your counting also. Some of your parents are complaining कि मैम जो वर्क आप देते हो वो ही करता है, एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं बच्चे. This is not good. Please listen to your parents. Do your practice regularly. Your assessments are coming and you have to score best, isn't it? So keep practicing your countings. All your other concepts like what comes after, before, between, missing number, count and write, count and draw, इतने सारे topics हो चुके हैं. Keep practicing all your topics at home. Whatever your parents are saying, listen to them and do the work. Okay? Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class.